I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Decorating with Pillows and Throws Open collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, May's Design Corner, and Jennifer at Home. These channels will be listed below. Be sure to check them out, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. There's nothing cozier than nice, plushy, soft pillows. I have these pillows in my living room, and I really enjoy them. They're slip-covered pillows, so that means I can take the covers off easily with a really nice zipper on the back, and I can change these covers out anytime I want. I recently had Christmas pillow covers on these pillows. I don't like storing things, so it was so nice to be able to trade the covers out, fold them up, and put them away with my Christmas decorations, and then go back and put these nice, soft, plushy chenille pillowcases on. In my bedroom, I have some smaller pillows on my bed, and I really like these pillows. They're so nice and super soft and velvety. However, they also have a Christmas design on the other side. I love pillows that I can turn around and that are very versatile. I have this one out during the Christmas season, and I like it so much. It has such beautiful little sparkly trees, and they're just so nice. Then when Christmas is over, I turn the pillow around and no one even knows that it's a Christmas pillow. This way I don't have excess pillows to store. I have pillows that I can use for different seasons. I can use these beautiful pillows all year long and never have to take them off my bed to store them. I have some very special throw blankets that I love to keep in a big basket right by my fireplace. It's so cozy to have them here. We can grab them out and use them, and then we can just put them back in the basket. This particular one is so beautiful and so soft. My husband purchased this for me for our anniversary a couple of years ago from Target, from the Hearth and Hand collection. It's like a great big giant cozy sweater. I really enjoy having things in my home that are not only decorative, but very, very useful as well. I have one more throw blanket I want to share. My husband just got this for me for Christmas. It has beautiful pictures of my daughter and granddaughter, and there's a picture of me holding my granddaughter. My husband and I love this. We love having our little grandbaby right here on this throw blanket. It is super soft and cozy, and we just love seeing her precious little face every time we come in the living room and see this beautiful blanket folded on our sofa. My husband did so well with his Christmas shopping, and he picked out these beautiful pictures himself and ordered this blanket. I was so excited and surprised when it arrived in the mail. He had it sent to our son's house where we were going to be spending the Christmas holiday. I was super excited about it, and I love folding it up and putting it in the chair just like this. If you're looking for a special gift in a throw blanket for someone that you love and you want to add pictures, Etsy is where that he bought this, and that's where you can order something custom so special just like this wonderful little throw blanket. Sometimes you can change the whole feel of the room for the season just by changing the throw blanket. I have this super soft plushy throw blanket that my daughter gave me. She purchased at Kohl's, and it's such a beautiful shade of orange, and I love putting it out every fall. Then I just put it in this Ziploc bag and put it in the top of the closet. When we have company for the holidays, everyone seems to gravitate toward this adorable little throw blanket. It's great to put in the living room and have handy for movie nights, or just nights when we're sitting around visiting, having popcorn, or eat a casual dinner, just enjoying ourselves and spending time together. It always seems to be everyone's favorite. Thank you so much for being here today. I had so much fun sharing my beautiful grandma blanket and my pillow slip covers. I hope this inspires you to try some slip covers in your living room pillows as well. I'll be so happy if you check out all of the participating channels, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.